Is it time to sell, but you're not sure if you'll be able to maximize the value of your property in this market? Coldwell Banker Premier Realty, the sponsors of this segment, can help. And joining you now is Chairman and CEO Bob Hamrick. Welcome back to the show.
Mercedes, great to be here with you again.
My favorite person to talk real estate with. What is happening in the market right now?
So the market, we're using the word stagnant. It's been a little bit quiet. There's still a respectable number of sales, 2,000 on a monthly basis. It just hasn't been as active as we're used to, but there are buyers that need to buy and sellers that need to sell.
Now, you guys have a fantastic program called the Realvitalize program, and I love this because it really gives you the opportunity to get that money that your home is really worth. Tell us a little bit about it.
Well, the goal is to maximize the value of one's home, and that is where most of the equity is stored, or most of the income or dollars are stored, is in one's home. So we're competing in a huge way with new home builders. You've been to the models, they look fabulous. Our job is to cause a seller's home to look very similar to that.
And that's what we're looking at right now, right?
So we have an example of frankly, our Vice President of Marketing went through the same process. She listed her home, she went through the Realvitalize program, we changed the carpet, painted the home. The home sold in less than a week and is going to be closing in a couple of weeks from now for all cash and above list price.
Now, who pays for that? That does not come out of the seller's pocket, does it?
So the sellers don't have to advance those dollars, because that is one of the biggest challenges. So we advance the dollars to do all of those things, and then obviously when the property sells, they have the cash to be able to pay that back.
That was a very beautiful home. Can you do this with any home, no matter what the value is of the home?
So there's so many things that we can do. Oftentimes curb appeal through landscaping is important. Certainly changing the carpet and painting. The average homeowner stays in their property for around 10 years. Styles change in that 10-year period of time. So the goal is to refresh the property and to make it marketable as best as possible for the highest price.
I really don't know why you wouldn't use this program if you are selling a house right now, the Realvitalize program. If people are interested, how do they become a part of this?
So we'll show the phone number and also the website, realvitalizelv.com, but we can certainly walk them through the entire process. And it's not just for individuals that may not have the money to do it,
right,
but it is all about the convenience of being able to cause it to be done without any headaches.
Now, real quick, like you said, styles change. What if I'm not, like, I don't have the best taste? Do you guys have people that are like, this is what you should pick, this is what people are buying right now?
So a big part of it, Mercedes, is the staging process, just preparing that home. And so we have a professional company that knows the styles. They are designers, and they come in and they stage the home on the seller's behalf.
That's good, because it takes all the guesswork out of it for us. What an amazing program. Thank you so much. And thank you to Coldwell Banker Premier Realty for sponsoring this segment. Give them a call at 725-234-2277 or visit their website, realvitalizelv.com. Las Vegas Now will be right back.